Droopy mustache. Long and hanging down heavily mustache. My gym trainer has long droopy mustache. He looks very weird and strange. Oval face. Face shaped like an egg. People with oval face look very beautiful. Lovely complexion. The natural color and quality of skin. Some people have lovely complexion. They do not need any makeup to look beautiful. Chubby cheeks. Fat in a pleasant and attractive way. Chinese girls mostly have chubby cheeks, which makes them beautiful. Lanky youth. Tall, thin, and awkward. John was such a lanky person that no one made him a friend. Striking appearance. Attracting attention by being unusual or prominent. When she entered the room, she had such a striking appearance that everyone kept looking at her. Broad hips. Wide hips. Females develop broad hips when they reach adolescent period.